If the App Store isn't downloading apps on your phone, here's a quick and easy guide to help you fix it step by step. First, make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening a website in Safari to confirm your internet is working. Then, go to the home screen and find the app that's stuck. Tap on it to pause, then tap again to resume. Sometimes this alone fixes the issue. After that, sign out and back into the App Store. And to do that, open your Settings app, then tap on your name at the very top. After that, tap on Media and Purchases, then tap on Sign Out. Then sign back in and try downloading the app again. After that, restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone clears minor bugs. Press and hold the power button, slide to power off and wait for a few seconds. Then turn it back on. Next, check available storage, and to do that, tap on General, then tap on iPhone storage, and if you're low on space, delete unused apps or media to free up storage for new downloads. Then check for any updates, and for that, go back to the General Settings menu and tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, install it. If it's still not working, try resetting network settings. And for that, go back to the General Settings menu and scroll all the way down. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on Reset. Here, choose Reset Network Settings from the options. This won't delete your data but will reset Wi-Fi passwords. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.